is Ravi Kiran from YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset administrator password in Windows 2012 and 2016. Let's start. And for resetting the password, we need to follow a few steps. So to reset the password on 2012 or 2016 server, simply complete the following steps. So boot from the Microsoft 2012 or 2016 ISO image based on the server OS. So from Windows setup menu, click next and select the repair your computer. Choose an option, then click on troubleshoot. Under advanced option, click command prompt. At the command prompt, run the following commands. Go to D colon on CD Windows System 32 and rename the utilman.exe file to .old and copy cmd file and utilman.exe. Close the command prompt and then click continue. Then server should now boot and present the logon screen. Here click Windows key plus U button. At the prompt you can now change the password by typing the following command: net user administrator password 789. It should be a lower case sensitive. Closing the command prompt, you should now able to log back into the server using the password you have provided in the last step. And after changing the password, you need to do the cleanup steps. Once you have verified you can log into the server, you will have to repeat the steps above and boot using the Windows 2012 or 2016 ISO image and run the command prompt again. Restart your computer and once again boot from the 2012 and 2016 DVD. From the Windows setup menu, click next. Select repair computer. Under choose and option, then click troubleshoot. Under advanced option, click command prompt. At the command prompt, run the following commands. So previously we entered into the CD Windows System 32. So rename utilman.exe file to utilman.exe.new and copy utilman.exe.old to utilman.exe. So it will be renamed from old to new. Close the command prompt and then click continue. You should be back up and running as if nothing were happened. And thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Now I will show you lab setup and how to reset password. So please follow my YouTube channel, and for more videos please click my subscribe icon and my YouTube channel, and do not miss to click on bell icon. Thank you. Okay, this is 2012 operating system. So I'll try the password. Let's see it's working or not. So the password is incorrect. Try again. So I cannot do anything. Simply I'll go to shutdown. So now I'm shutting down. Okay, now server is shut down and click on power on button. Okay, select the boot option. Go to CD-ROM, press enter. Select press any key to boot from the ISO image. Let's wait for welcome screen. Yeah, now we received a Windows setup screen. Select the next button and go to repair your computer. Okay, now you need to troubleshoot. So click refresh or reset your PC and use the advanced tool. Click on the troubleshoot. Now we are going to use command prompt. Click command prompt. Now source. So now you need to go to D colon and CD Windows System 32 and rename util to utilman.exe.old. You need to rename this file. This file is used in last step. Once it is done, copy cmd.exe and utilman.exe. One file is copied. So next click close button and now turn off and turn on. Once it is booting uh, the login screen, you need to select a Windows key and U button. Let's wait for login screen. Let's wait, it's booting the Windows. Yeah, preparing. Please wait. It's running background. So we'll get a console. So we need to click on Windows key plus U. At the same time, you'll get a command prompt to reset the password. Let's wait. Now Windows and click on Windows key and U button. So you will get a command prompt. This is utilman.exe. Command prompt is enough. No, not enough storage is available to process this command. So we have received a command prompt. Now we need to type net user administrator and password which I given 789. Press enter. Okay, password is does not meet the policy, so I'm sorry. So I'll keep the command completed successfully. So now we have renamed the password successfully. So let's reboot. Let's type the password which we have given. Okay, it's coming. So we are able to log in with the new password. Let's follow these cleanup steps so that we are going to power off again and same steps need to be followed for cleanup. Okay, now I'm going to power on again. I need to boot from the command prompt. Sorry, it's reached. Sorry. Yeah, now we need to boot from the CD-ROM. Press any key. It should loading the files and it will boot from the CD-ROM through the ISO image. Yeah, same steps need to be followed. We'll get a Windows setup menu. And before that, yeah, I request you to click on my YouTube channel for getting more videos. Okay, let's click on the next and repair your computer. The same steps which we followed for resetting. So now source, go to D colon. We need to go Windows System 32. Okay, and after that, so we have done rename, right? Rename. 1 minute. We'll type the full name. Utilman. Okay, Utilman and utilman.exe.new. So we are renaming this one. Done. Copy utilman.exe.old. Last time we did this one. So now we are going to rename this one. Copy to this one. Press enter. The file is copied down, and now you can close, exit, and turn off your PC, and you can turn on the PC. Okay, now operating system is loading. Now it's not loading with the ISO image, it's booting from the hard drive. Let's wait for login screen. Yeah, meanwhile I'll request you everyone, please click on bell icon to get more videos, and please do not miss to subscribe my channel so that more interesting videos will be uploaded in future. Thanks for watching, and let's continue the last step on this video. Okay, now please wait, it's displaying, so let's wait for few seconds. The login screen will appear here. Please wait. Okay, now control del. So now we received, so the new password which I given, password 789. Wow, it's working with the new password. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day. Please do not miss clicking on the bell icon for getting more updates on my YouTube channel. uh, Thanks for everyone. Okay, thank you, bye bye.